tucks add a classic, tailored texture to any project, but getting them perfectly straight and consistent can definitely be frustrating. Today I'm showing you how to set up your machine with a twin needle and a specialized foot to create quick, professional pin tucks every time. To do this right, you need two things: the twin needle and a grooved pin tuck foot. There are different pin tuck sizes, so make sure that your needle width matches the grooves in your foot. These grooves are what lock your previous row in place to keep the next one perfectly parallel. You will need to use 2 matching spools of thread. The most important tip: these threads can cross and get stuck together before the needle, causing the thread to break. The best way to avoid this is to thread the left needle first using the main thread. Make sure you thread all points, including the often missed needle bar just above the needle. After you thread the left needle, thread the second spool the same as the first and thread it through the right needle. Now pull both threads through until they both look smooth and even. The tuck happens because the bobbin thread zigzags between the top 2 needles, pulling the fabric up into the groove of the foot. If your tension is too loose, the tucks will look flat. Use a scrap piece of fabric to get your tension just right. I like to use a different color fabric so I can see the tension adjustments. I've found the tension will need to be around a 7 or an 8 range to get this nice ridge on your fabric. Pintuck pro tip: twin needle sewing uses bobbin thread faster than you might expect. Keep an eye on your bobbin and make sure it's full before starting a long line. For your first row, draw a straight line guide. I like to use friction pens because they disappear when you iron it. Sew slowly, making sure you follow that line. And be sure not to pull or stretch the fabric. Let the machine do the work and use a light touch to guide your fabric straight. For the second row, this is where the grooved foot does its work. Place your first tuck into one of the grooves on the side of the foot. As long as that tuck stays in that groove, your next row will be perfectly parallel. Slow and steady wins the race with pin tucking. Once you get the tension right, it's a breeze. Give it a try on a scrap piece of fabric first and let me know in the comments how it goes. Happy sewing!